Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AWS Managed Grafana for quick monitoring step by step clearly. To activate AWS Managed Grafana for quick monitoring, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Services dashboard. In the search bar, type Grafana and select AWS Managed Grafana from the results. Click on Create Workspace to begin setting up your Managed Grafana instance. You will be prompted to enter a name for your Grafana workspace. Choose a name that clearly identifies the workspace's purpose. Next, select a region where you want your Grafana workspace to reside. Consider choosing a region close to your data sources for optimal performance. Proceed to configure the authentication method for your workspace. You can choose to use AWS Single Sign-On or manage users manually with credentials. After configuring authentication, set up your workspace access permissions. Decide who can view or edit the Grafana dashboards you create. Now, review your settings and click on Create Workspace. Wait a few moments for the workspace to be provisioned. Once created, you will see a confirmation screen with your workspace details. Click on the link provided to access your Grafana dashboard. You may need to log in using the authentication method you selected earlier. Upon entering the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the user interface. To add data sources, navigate to the Configuration section. Select Data Sources and then click on Add Data Source. Choose the data source you wish to monitor, such as Amazon CloudWatch or Prometheus. Follow the prompts to configure the selected data source. Once configured, click Save and Test to ensure a successful connection. After your data source is set up, begin creating your first dashboard. Click on the plus icon in the left panel and select Dashboard. Use the Add New Panel option to include visualizations for your metrics. Customize the visualizations according to your monitoring needs. Save your dashboard once you're satisfied with the setup. You can now share your dashboard with team members or set up alerts as needed. Congratulations, you've successfully activated AWS Managed Grafana for quick monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.